everyone, welcome back to WebTech Tutorial. In today's episode of WebTech Tutorial videos, I'll be showing you how you can recover your Bigo Live account in case you've forgotten the password for your Bigo Live and are stuck in the sign-in process. You can solve this problem by following the instructions. But before starting, if you are not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you'll instantly be notified as soon as we post a new video. Start by tapping open your Bigo Live app. As soon as you reach to a page that looks like this, select the country code by tapping on the drop-down menu and select your country from the list. After you're done, type in your contact information. After that, tap on the next button, and on the next page, you'll need to enter your password. Since we don't know what the password is, simply tap on Forgot Password link provided. Now check your phone number if it is correct and tap on the next button. A verification code has been sent to you via SMS and the code has been entered automatically. Now to change your password, type in a new password for your Bigo Live account. After you have entered the password, tap on the Done button and you can see that you have changed your password and entered to your Bigo Live account with this quick and easy step. I hope you liked the video. If it was of some help to you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have anything to say to us. I'll be back again with more help videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.